How to learn AI from scratch in 2025, a beginner's roadmap. Want to break into AI but don't know where to start? AI is taking over industries from healthcare to finance, and the demand for AI experts is skyrocketing. But how do you go from zero knowledge to building AI projects? Let's break it down step by step. By 2025, AI skills will be among the most valuable in the job market. Whether you're a student, career switcher, or just curious, learning AI can open doors to high-paying jobs and groundbreaking innovations. And the best part? You can start from scratch, no degree needed. AI jobs grew 74% in the last 5 years. The opportunities are immense. Imagine building the next generation of AI tools. This isn't just about getting a job, it's about shaping the future. You can be a part of the AI revolution. AI runs on code, and Python is the #1 language for AI. Start by learning Python basics, loops, functions, and data structures. Sites like FreeCodeCamp, Kaggle, and W3 Schools offer free Python courses. Python is used by 80% of AI developers. It's the industry standard. You'll also need a bit of math, linear algebra, probability, and statistics to understand how AI models work. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius, just the fundamentals. Khan Academy offers excellent free math courses. Start with the basics and build from there. Once you're comfortable with Python, it's time to dive into machine learning, ML. Start with supervised and unsupervised learning, using libraries like scikit-learn. This is where the magic begins. Supervised learning is like teaching a child with labeled examples. Unsupervised learning is letting the AI explore on its own. Then, move on to deep learning, which powers things like ChatGPT and self-driving cars. Learn frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch with hands-on tutorials on Coursera, EDX, and Fast AI, many of which are free. Deep learning uses neural networks to learn complex patterns. It's the cutting edge of AI. Theory is great, but real learning happens when you build projects. Start small. Build an AI that predicts house prices. Train a chatbot. Create an AI that recognizes images. These projects will solidify your understanding. Hands-on experience is invaluable. Platforms like Google Colab let you train AI models for free. No expensive hardware needed. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you learn. AI isn't just about coding, it's about collaboration. Join Kaggle, GitHub, and Discord AI communities to learn from experts, contribute to projects, and get feedback. Collaboration is key in the AI world. Share your knowledge and learn from others. Competitions on Kaggle can even land you a job. Show off your skills and get noticed. These communities are full of passionate and helpful people. You'll find your tribe. AI evolves fast. Stay ahead by following AI leaders on Twitter, reading research papers, and keeping up with breakthroughs like GPT-5, DeepSeek, and AI agents. The AI landscape is constantly changing. Continuous learning is essential. Set your AI goal for 2025, whether it's landing an AI job, building your own AI tool, or just staying informed. Having a clear goal will keep you motivated. What do you want to achieve with AI? Define your vision and go for it. The AI revolution is happening now, and anyone can be part of it. Will you take the first step? Let me know in the comments, what's your AI learning goal for 2025? This is your chance to shape the future. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Your journey starts now. What are you waiting for? Like this video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI guides. Let's build the future together. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Join our community and let's learn together. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are interested in AI. Let's spread the knowledge.